I'm completely surprised. It's a kind of reciprocal feedback which I have in terms of completely unexpected thing which I found today. One in terms of the content, the flow which has been defined, and second the kind of opportunity which I got in terms of networking at the same time, and the quality of the content discussion which happened both in session as well as outside in terms of personal networking was really good. Typically, when I attend such kind of conference, I typically look at a couple of points to pick up, which I can look at from my environment perspective, my learning perspective, and I kind of put forward my points within the organization there, and kind of convert that learning of such kind of conferences into the reality for the organization. But today I have picked up more than a couple of points, so that's something which is really good. It depends on what kind of data we are speaking about. We typically kind of classify the data, and as an organization we have a policy very clearly. If it is really sensitive data, we do not want to kind of put into cloud at this point of time. But of course we can't live without the cloud in this era. So what we typically do and look at is the data which is not very sensitive, which can be put into cloud, is something which we kind of put into cloud and explore. So typically we have a kind of hybrid model based on the data classification. That is what we do. Being transparent completely to whatever is happening, because security is not something which you can say static in nature. It is always ongoing affair. It is always ever evolving. Therefore it is something which you need to kind of always be on top of. You cannot just say 6 months back I did a check and therefore everything was in place and I kind of rely on that. Of course it cannot be, the service provider cannot give you on real-time basis or online basis all the information, but to the level possible, if they can try and give information transparently being shared with the customer to the near real base, I think that will be my expectation.